See my other video as to how to repair the boot trim itself. Because the boot trim was loose and rattling, it was scratching the back of the boot, so I had to touch it up with touch-up paint. The switch. Those are the couple of the bolts near the switch. Two more this side. 10mm spanner. That's my spanner. So it's a ratchet spanner, and you can, with a little hinge, and so this is the best sort of thing for. There's a couple of screws, a couple of poppers. So the screws go through there, and there. The poppers go there. This here's got some lugs here, back panel. These all got a liner. So these lugs engage somehow up there, but when you take the panels off, they'll come off together, the back panel, the top panel and the two side panels. And I thought it'd be better to take them apart, but it's very easy to break the lugs which join the panels themselves together. We shall see. Those three went back on quite easily. These side panels, I've got these sticky out bits there. I'll show the other side. I think the strong sunlight puts everything in shadow. So that bit, difficult to see. So I think the trick is to hook the back panel onto that. And sort of shove it up. The age of the bee. Actually, this back panel, I don't know if you can see it now, but the trick is to actually just push it up, push it directly on. You need to go over it and be fairly firm where the poppers are. Just feel around and keep putting a bit of pressure on it. Don't overforce it. If it's not lined up, you'll bend the poppers. The screws, the two little screws take a T20. I don't know what you call it, spline bit or something, star bit. It's called something else.